In addition to Merit's legacy products of pipe, valves, fittings, and flanges, Merit also carries an offering of next-generation press fittings in carbon, copper, and stainless, known as MeritPress. MeritPress fittings and valves come equipped with a visual indicator press ring, also known as the Viper, which gives you a visual confirmation of a complete press. Merit's copper press fittings and valves are an innovative solution for copper installations, saving you up to 30% on project costs due to labor and auxiliary materials savings. Copper press fittings and valves are the most comprehensive offering for your copper applications with over 350 SKUs. It is important to note that MeritPress sealing elements for our copper press fittings and valves offering are EPDM. The EPDM, ethanol propylene diene monomer, is a peroxide cured sealing element, black in coloring, and has a temperature range of 0 degrees Fahrenheit to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. EPDM has excellent oxidation resistance. The EPDM sealing element plays a specific role with specific applications. Copper press fittings and valves can be used in several types of services, including fluid and water, fuel, oil and lubricant, and gas. Please refer to the approved applications chart for each type of service. This chart identifies the type of services, pressures, and temperatures that are recommended for the EPDM sealing element. The recommendations are general in nature. Product service life for any application is dependent upon the actual media mixture, pressure, temperature, and operational cycling parameters. Always consult your project and engineering team prior to determining the chemical and corresponding sealing element. All tubing must comply with the ASTM B88 standard. Approved for installations in above and below ground applications as allowed by local code. For more information about our next generation of press fittings and valves known as MeritPress, available in copper, carbon, and stainless steel, please visit our website at www.meritpress.com or contact our team today at 800-726-9800.